Excuse me.
Miss, pwede pumila ka? May pila, oh.
Miss, may pila po.
Hindi pa ba pwedeng mag-place ng order?
Pwede po. What's your order, sir?
Ay, salamat. Salted caramel,
Salted caramel.
medium ice, for here.
Name, please.
Alvin.
Alvin.
Miss,
Salted.
anong ginagawa mo?
That will be 145 pesos. Thank you, sir. Where's your boss?
I am the boss.
Oh, well, in that case, here's my resume and consider it as my job interview. Sir, may I take your order?
Isang coffee latte, ice,
Coffee latte iced. Name?
cake.
Okay. Coffee latte ice for AJ, sir. We can talk about it later. Right now, ang dami ng customers na iipon, no? Magagalit ng mga to. Thank you.
Para nakita na kita.
Hello?
I get that all the time. Yes,
One
ma'am.
macchiato iced.
Caramel macchiato iced. Name?
Raven.
Boss, gawa ka na ng kape. Nauuhaw na sila.